Hey everyone, Vinayak here. Today I have with me a new indoor security camera by Imou, this Ranger 2D. It's a 1080p 360 degree AI home security camera, so let's get unboxing and check it out. This is the Imou Ranger 2D. It has night vision, smart tracking, 1080p recording and 360 degree pan motion. The camera works with Google Assistant and Alexa too. There are tons of features listed on the side. But to check them out, let's first unbox the camera. When opened first, we find the manual. A protective foam section is on the top. Let's keep the camera to the side for now. Some more paperwork. Another protective foam on the bottom. And under that, we have... Wow, they have provided a power adapter. Not many companies do that. The sticker is for the positioning map used for drilling, needed when using the mount. Here's the mount itself. A nice long power cable which is sadly micro USB. Not much of a downer as it is only used for power. Screws and wall plugs. And now back to the camera. This is quite small. Looking at the picture, I expected something double the size. We have the Imou branding in front. It has BIS India compliance. Behind we find an Ethernet port and a micro USB port. Above them is a speaker. Here's the bottom, and these rubber feet keep the camera in place and prevent slipping. This is how the mount fits under the camera. Let's power it on using the micro USB power cable. This is the USB-A part that goes to the power adapter. And here we are. When powered on, the top LED glows red, which indicates it's booting up. The camera pans and tilts to calibrate itself. Now the LED blinks green, indicating that it's connecting or that it's ready for pairing. As it's a new camera, we need to set it up with Wi-Fi. Install the Imou Lite app, set up the account and then log in, and we are on the dashboard. Tap on the plus button on the top right, a QR code scanner opens up. Scan the QR code under the camera and select your Wi-Fi, enter your credentials, and within a minute the camera is set up and is connected to your Wi-Fi. Once connected, the green LED on top stays lit. Recording, we need to add a microSD card to the camera to be able to record. To access the slot, we need to pan the camera up and we can see the microSD card slot and also a reset button here. Insert a microSD card within and I'm using this 16GB card. No storage is included with the camera. Insert and make sure it locks when you press it in. It can only be inserted in one way. We have the camera listed on screen. Tap to view the live feed. Using the pan controls, we can pan the camera left, right, up and down. Two-way communication is a great feature. It allows us to speak to whoever is on the other side of the camera, maybe our kids, the maid, a delivery executive. We can hear them and also speak with them.
So this is the quality of the audio on this camera, and I'm keeping around 5 feet away from the camera, and this is how it's going to be sounding if somebody is actually speaking in this room.
Use the camera button to take a snapshot. We can switch between multiple resolutions like 1080p for the highest quality but uses the most bandwidth. Then we have 720p and the lowest is 480p. This is for streaming only and doesn't affect the recording quality. Tap on the speaker button here to listen in to where the camera is placed. This allows you to monitor the room from wherever you are. You can switch to full screen using this option here. The camcorder button is to take a recording. There is also cloud storage available to purchase. I am using local storage only. The pan function allows the camera to move 360 degrees around, giving you full view of your room. It cannot show all 360 degrees at once, but a section which can be changed using the app. We can also enable smart tracking, which makes the camera home in on any movement and center it on screen. It's quite fast, it's managing to follow me. We can set the smart tracking sensitivity. 3 was quite sensitive too. Human detection. When a human form is detected, we are sent a notification on our phone. We can have the camera play a siren when it detects a human. This can be turned off in the settings, but it is useful if you are traveling and you need to keep your house safe. Abnormal sound detection. It can detect sounds and send us a notification on our phone. Example, something like a baby crying, something has fallen in the kitchen. Being compatible with both Google Home and Alexa, we can view the camera feed on their respective smart screens. I have the Echo Show 8 here. You can use the interface to activate the feed, or even just say, Alexa, show me name of camera, and the live video feed is visible on screen. Night vision is also available, so you can keep an eye on things even when it's completely dark. It switches to night vision mode automatically. Turn on privacy mode if you are home and don't want the camera to be active. The lens is covered when in privacy mode. When leaving the house, turn privacy mode off. We have the option for HDR. We can view the recordings that are stored on the microSD card using this option here. Videos are recorded using the H.265 codec. The indicator lights can be turned off if you find it distracting. Use the camera image flip option if you are installing the camera upside down. So that was the Imou Ranger 2D. A very different design from the standard smart cameras from before. It looks like a tiny egg. It works really well, 1080p recording, 360-degree pan and tilt, night vision, two-way communication, and a whole lot of other features are also available. It works well and the setup is quite easy, and at this price point it's being sold at, it seems to have all the necessary features. So how did you like the Imou Ranger 2D? Make sure to comment below. Also make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.